Hello everyone, welcome to Pronko's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Pronko, I'm in my den, and it's 6 in the morning right now. I woke up, I was having my espresso, and I was browsing the internet when I stumbled upon this news on a friend's Facebook page. I found a month later that Joe Lankford, the master blender from Seattle Pipe Club, had passed away. This happened actually in the morning of 5th, no, it was 3rd of September. Um, and yeah, I don't know why people didn't talk about it, or maybe they did and I didn't pay attention to that. But it's sad news, and yeah, I wanted to make this video as a tribute to Joe, even though I never met Joe, but I did meet him in a way by smoking one of his blends, his very, very popular plum pudding. This is a great blend. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get other blends from him. This was actually bought by someone who went to America, and I asked him to buy me a tin. But I can't order from Romania, from USA to Romania, because anything that costs more than $11 will be taxed at the customs. So right now I only smoked plum pudding, but I plan on getting other blends from him because they are quite legendary, I'd say. They are very, very appreciated by people all around the world. Like, of course, plum pudding was his trademark, but also Mississippi River, which I think came uh, before plum pudding. And I really want to try that plum pudding special reserve and the plum pudding barrel age and potlatch. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, or Seattle evening, because Joe was a blender before he became famous, from what I've read, and I'll actually give a link in the description uh, to a post on smoking pipes that's written about him. He was blending tobacco before he got famous, and he really, got success with these two blends. But yeah, anyway, I'm not going to make it a long video. My condolences, late condolences, I know, and I'm sorry, but this is the first time I hear about it, so I heard about it and I'm just making a video right now. So it's been a month. It's been a month in which I didn't know anything, but still, um, yeah, my condolences to his family, and I'm sorry to the Seattle Pipe Club and his friends. Um, I don't know what to say. This is sad news. This is, like they say, broken pipe. So, I don't know. If you have a tin from Seattle Pipe Club made by Joe, crack it open, smoke it, maybe make a video in the memory of Joe, and I don't know. But that is the news, the sad news that I wanted to bring. Unfortunately, it's sad, and unfortunately, it's late, but better late than never. So, rest in peace, Joe. Um, and thank you for all the great blends that you gave us.